Ah, g'day, there was some flies here. Some spider webs too, hopefully they'll take the flies out. I'll make a little shelf here, put one little box of meters here. Bit by bit I'm going to get back to my storage and get it up some more meters. I'm going to get, probably stick to single phase ones first, like I always do. BAZs, get those, a box of those, bit by bit at a time, and bring those over. Clean these up and put them in as I test them. And repack them and put them back in storage. So yeah, I'm just irritating. I want to do more meter videos. I love my meters. I just can't put it off. It's just agonising not having a man cave anymore. So let's do some metering. Box set of store stuff in. Oh, let's go. 37 degrees today. Man, it's hot out there. In here though, it's actually quite cool. Good heat sinks these motors. They preserve the cold. Keep everything else in here cold, which is good. Do a quick check. I've found an option to back up my photos and upload to the AI cloud to my hard drive, which is good. As you can see, I'm all the way in Merbean, about 20 kilometres away. Wait till this establishes a connection first. Really? What? Oh, hang on, this doesn't have an option to connect to my router via the internet. Oh, I think I've got to set up an internet thing on that. That's only local, that network. There should be an option somewhere where I can set up an online domain thing so I can access my files when I'm not home. Anyway, let's set up the back ones. Open box I'll start with, I think. Yeah, do that. Right, that's all my single phase, single weight meters. I do all those first, then I move on to the dual tariff single phase, and then we can get up to the multi-phase ones from there. All the M3Rs and M3s are in that box. Definitely pack these out for moving in. I don't want them getting damaged. Alright, let's go back home. Okay, back home now in this heat. Yep, summer's here. Alright. Gotta look after these boxes. I'm going to re-strengthen these boxes too. I want to first have a look at this contactor before I do some more load wheel action. Very interesting stuff. What amps did I say this was last time? It's a 0 to 30, okay. It's no use updating the time switch if the time switch is already 30 amps, but I can use this for small little relays, like a little DAN rail mount, little tiny DAN rail mount switches, relays and so on. Those big ones I've got, the 700 amp and the 80 amp contactor as range suggested, they're perfect for operating time switches. Let's open this thing up. It's going to smell interesting inside. You see this wiring here, you see? So 1950s. Very typical of the era. So this thing is the original. It's been in service till recently, this thing. This is porn. Typical. I mean real pornographic. Satchwell contactor type RA1. Pornographic. There's contacts, look at that. Very chunky. Tin whiskers or something on there. That's just the weight. Rubberized weight, which, there. Must be momentary. It could be for momentary action if you want to test it. You just press this by hand because it's well insulated this bit. Check that coil out, 7.600T. You've got some adjustments that make it close or open more. Wow. That's some good engineering. This is how you make electrical parts. If they're well made and designed and well made to a really good quality standard like this is, guaranteed safe. This new shit, they don't seem to care whether people get electrocuted or not. Oh, bugs and stuff in there. Oh man, it smells good in there. That winding smell. I love it. That old varnish copper winding smell. Imagine that in operation. Clunk. Wow. Pornographic. See, there's the contacts. Underneath here completes the circuit to this strap. This little strap here goes under, connects to this. One side of the load, other side of the load here. So, yeah, look at that. See, there's black wiring here. This is original. Very 1940s and 50s era. That is beautiful. Truly pornographic. 200 to 350 volts. It switches 0 to 440 volts at 30 amps. Not 3 phase, it's single phase. Cycles 50. Coil volts, 200 to 250 volts, single phase. Wow. Since they privatised the SEC and everything, it's just fucked it all. Just really a shame, disappointing they wrecked it. There's your earth goes on there. Wow. Man, it smells good in there. I love it. I'll even do a quick test, hook it up and do some quick test loads of it. Very cool, very nice. Man, is that really nice quality stuff. More than just me, this, which I'm happy at. Good to get stuff like this. You get the idea. Alright, I'll knock all the WF3S's off first, put them in that box, pack them up, and move on to the BOZs. My new bolt's installed. This is a terminal cover that had no bolt in it. And here we are, the replacement bolt. All's not lost, but I still need more of those terminal covers for the rest of my Walton Frankie meters. That one's complete. Tested and done. So they go in this box. Alright, I'm on to the next one. No needle on that one. That's off one of my SDs. Looks like something's delivered inside that. Made a bit of a nest. Got to live on the edge, don't you? Danger must have been its middle name. There's a Mark 1, the email is going to be saved for later. I'm going to go on a WF spree here, so I'm on my metering spree. This one, this is next. Let's do this one here next. As you can see, it's got this back with a plus in it and a short or a small hook. Some don't. That's got the big hook in there to put back on it. There we go. Alright, let's hook that one out up and test this one. Anyway, that's the next video. Thanks for watching.